Last week, I worked on a project that uses a LED matrix display, and this is a very cheap one you can get. This is made up of four continuous I square C models. Of this one here is green or amber, I think, and I wrote a little. Just modified slightly the the examples I saw using that uses this model, that is the MAX72XX model. Just configure it for my settings. I'm using four devices. Like in this example, this has four devices, and the IC that controls the LEDs, the matrix LED, is the AMAX72 controller, and I'm using a Larduino, which is the LG8F328, which is a AVR clone of the very common Arduino Nano. So it's a very not very small. It's actually mid-size file. All it does is it initiates the scrolling with a hello world, just a hello. I think it's just hello, and that's what it does. It just writes hello initially, initiates the scrolling with the text hello, and then it waits for serial input through the UART. So for this project alone, I designed a enclosure in AutoCAD, which is to house the display right here. This is what the display will go into, and underneath that you will mount the Arduino, in this case the Larduino, and that's the USB port. So the schematics for it are very simple. You just take, if you're using Arduino or a Larduino, this is how you connect it, using the I2C protocol. You just need to get power to the MAX7219. And this is the pinout, very straightforward, nothing out of this world. And this is how it looks all assembled. A nice black housing. The back of it, that's where the Arduino is connected. Like I said, like the schematic shows, it connects to the pins on the Max 7219, and it just clip this back into place. All right, so it stands like that, and once you run power to it, I'm going to connect it to the USB port on the laptop. I'm going to start showing a text, which is default to hello. So I just wrote a simple C# routine for it, which a simple C# program for it, which I just modified of another pre-existing project that deals with serial port. So this is the project itself. I'm just going to run the binary. I'm not going to bother you with the C# code. I selected a pixelated heart for the icon, and what it does, it detects the I'm gonna move it to the other screen here. It detects the serial port to which the Arduino is connected, and what it needs is for you to input a text like I don't know, Could be welcome to our shop, and then just send. And it's gonna happen that I'll replace that to replace actually one and start scrolling it. And it's pretty straightforward. You can change the text on it, so you can expand this. You can have the display show news. I mean, it's very convenient if you want to have like I don't know, you have a kiosk doing a presentation, or if you just want to scroll news and you don't want people to look at your screen, you can scroll messages. You could be a doctor's office. You can have the next customer's name scrolling on the front. Quite affordable. I think these were like, no, believe me, but it's like $4 or $5 each. The Larduino is also like $5 each, and PLA probably, I don't know, less than 25 cents, maybe 10 cents for it. So like $12 if you include the little USB to micro USB cable. Very convenient. You can actually then expand it to use the RxDX signals, and if you use Max32, you can connect it to a PLC like this Compact Logix, or the Step 7 1200, or even the do more and show alarm messages on it. You can chain these one after another and have a larger display if you want. That's pretty much the project. I just wanted to explore it and show you guys for it. Well, stay tuned for more. Bye.